Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And a great topic today that one of our viewers suggested is how do you manage utilities that are mixed in with other apartments or mixed in with the hallway lights or the basement lights, things in the common area. So the answer is very simple. You contact the utility company to figure out what the average usage is for that specific apartment for 1 year. Okay, so say the gas is mixed in with the laundry in the basement. The average bill is $30 a month. Then you call about the electricity and the average bill is $100 a month. So the tenant, okay, should get the utilities now included with their rent because they're not separated specifically to themselves, and you just adjust the rent accordingly based on the usage. Okay, so in this example, gas $30, electric $100, that's an average of $130, but technically that's not all of the tenant's usage because it's mixed in. So maybe you adjust the rent up $75 or even $100, okay, to offset for their usage. So you include the utilities with the rent, you increase the rent a little bit, okay, to make sure that you're getting paid for that usage, and problem is solved. You don't want to spend the money, the time, the hassle separating utilities. It's a total nightmare. You'll spend thousands, okay? Tens of thousands, okay? In some instances where we're talking about gas, electricity, oil, it gets very expensive. You got to rip down walls, rip up floors, change pipes. It's a lot of work. So include it with the rent, increase the rent a little bit, and you're done. And the tenants, in most cases, like to have utilities included because they have no bills, okay, no utility bills. They just have to pay you. So it's very simple, and you can get a premium on that rent in the future. Most tenants will overpay for utilities included and don't spend the time to break down the actual costs of what they're paying for. Okay, so very important. Include them, increase the rent. Once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.